So if you guys have these kind of hand soap dispensers, or even the electric versions that are battery powered, and you either don't want to buy these or you can't get them, which is the case sometimes, here's something to know. They just unscrew. As long as they're not broken, like this one, you can just unscrew that, put your own soap in, put this back in your dispenser. And even in this case, we'll take one of these that's empty and we'll just change it out. That literally just unscrews. No sense in paying overprice or changing out your dispensers because you can no longer get these inserts.